In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to create an auto reply on Instagram. Let's get started. First, launch an Instagram app and navigate to your profile page. Make sure you see the professional dashboard above the edit profile button, as this confirms your account is set to a creator or business account, which is required for auto replies. Now click on three bars, scroll down, head over to the section how others can interact with you. Click on the option messages and story replies. Now enable the option that allows access to messages. Once this is done, exit Instagram and open App Store or Play Store, search for Meta Business Suite and download the official app. After installing it, open the Meta Business Suite app and choose to log in with a different account. Select Instagram, provide the credentials of the account where you want to set auto reply. Once logged in, you will be directed to this page. Now click on More option, select Settings. Now here you're gonna find different option. Click on the option Automations. Click on Instant Reply. Toggle on for the option Instagram. Click on this pencil kind of icon. Now customize the message, delete the default text and enter your own auto reply. Once you're done, click on Save. From now on, anyone who sends a message to your Instagram business account will automatically receive your instant reply. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.